Socially responsible investing is important for everyone.
Social investing is investing for beyond personal financial gain. I think it's investing for community gain, for community purposes, but also there is a personal benefit to that in the fact that you're doing morally the right thing.
Socially responsible investing is critical. It's critical because people can start to vote with their dollars. Socially responsible investing spans a broad spectrum. It's screening for stocks and ensuring that things that you don't necessarily believe in, you don't invest in. I think a key component of socially responsible investing is community investing.
The Community Development Financial Institution is like a bank. We take in money as investments, not as deposits.
We provide financing to a host of organizations that can't access capital in other markets.
When I started on the board of New Jersey Community Capital, and it was known as the New Jersey Community Loan Fund back then, our primary focus was on affordable housing. Since then, we've expanded our focus to disabilities, to child care, and to charter schools.
There's the Abbott Early Care, and then there's suburban early care. There's charter schools in urban areas and suburban areas. There's affordable housing in Newark and affordable housing in Maplewood. While they're adjacent municipalities, it's different markets.
People, when they invest money, want to get a return, and they don't naturally think about social return as opposed to financial return. You can do both.
When you give your money away, you don't expect to get it back. When you invest it in New Jersey Community Capital, you can expect to get it back, and also you can expect to receive a rate of return on your money.
Social investing is where organizations, banks, people like New Jersey Community Capital, individuals say, you know what, I've done well, and I want to give back to my community.
You know, a $10,000 investment could be used many, many times over, and it has, a multiple effect.
Getting that revenue into New Jersey Community Capital and on into the community, I think that's the biggest challenge that we're facing now.